Well, hello my beauties and welcome to my channel. Today another episode of Playing with Color, and I created a purple and orange smoky eye. So if you want to see what palettes I used and how I got here, then just keep on watching. So another episode of Playing with Colors, and today a purple and orange smoky eye. What I do want to mention is I got a request from one of you guys, Lyndon Hardy, about doing a purple eye. It is coming, hun. I was going to film it today, but then I just really, I don't know why, sometimes you have that when you sit down to play with your makeup. Really wanted to do this color combination, so purple and orange. But hun, hold tight, it is coming. Today, however, it's this. I am going to use two palettes. I'm going to use the Slush palette, and I am going to use the I Heart Makeup Nudes palette. And the inside, oh, I Heart Revolution it is, I'm sorry. This is what the inside looks like. Mine is broken, but yeah. So I'm going to use two palettes. I will show you what colors I use from which palette. And if you don't have both palettes, it doesn't matter, because you can recreate this with any purples that you have. You can put a little bit of black in it and, you know, just have fun with it. I hope you have fun watching how I create this look, and I will see you at the end. So, playing with colors again, I'm going to zoom you guys in, like so. I'm going to sit right. Let's get started. I have everything on already. My eyes are primed. Everything I used will be down in the description box below. And what I am trying to achieve today, what I have in my mind, is a dark purple smoky eye with orange. I don't know why, just thought it would be fun, and I'm kind of in the Halloween flow already. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try and recreate. I'm going to use two palettes. I'm going to use the Slush palette, this one, and some probably some purple and orangey shades from this one. I will go a little bit back. And because I had a particular purple in mind, I am also using the I Heart Revolution Nudes palette, and I'm going to use the color Au Naturel. That's a very, very dark purple, and that is what I'm going to use instead of a black. If you don't have one of these, you can always use a black if you want to. But I thought, let's do something different. So, I am going to build it up, and I have no idea why, because usually my smoky eyes are by accident. I actually think I'm going to start with orange. Yeah, I'm going to start with orange. So I have a big fluffy brush. I'm going to start in the Slush palette with the color Peach Lemonade. That's this one. And we are going to plop that on the eye. Again, tapping motions, because I haven't set my base. And yesterday I filmed how I got into color. So that one will be up. Is already up, or should be. And the next one that I want to talk about is the color wheel, because that really helped me as well to pick out, well, shadows. So this is a nice orangey base, not too bright, and that is what I wanted. I'm itchy. So other side as well. And when I was editing my green look, I saw that I had the mirror in front of the camera, so that was not a good idea. So I'm trying to look in the furthest camera that I have on my glued on my wall, so that I can see what the shadows look like from afar. And then I have a smaller mirror down here that I can use, well, for up close. am going to film a collaboration video when I have done all my eyes. What did I do with my eyebrows? I don't know. Fix it later. Trying to grow them out a little bit, but they are getting all bushy on me. But then again, it's almost Halloween. Because yeah, when the holidays at the end of the year are over, I'm usually already in Halloween spirit. I just love that, the holiday. Now I lost my train of thought, but that's okay. So we have the base down. I am going to go, I think I'm actually going to build it up straight away. Because as I said, usually it is by accident that I get a smoky eye. Now I have to plan it out, so that's a bit weird. I'm taking this one, it's just a smaller fluffy brush. This one is from Bailey. And I am going to go into the color. I think I'm going to go into Blackcurrant. This one, the darkest purple of the Slush palette. And I'm going to see if we can build up the smoky eye. So I'm starting at the outside corner. And I'm tapping it on. And I'm actually already creating the shape that I want. So I'm just keeping on tapping to where I want the shadow to go. And then I go this way. Feather it out a bit. And I'm just going to build this up slowly, I think. And now, I don't know if it's going to be a traditional smoky eye. I just have a look in mind. And I'm just calling it a smoky eye. I do know this is a look that is not fast. Because you have to build up the color. Or at least I'm not fast at this. Oh, I have streaking, okay. So just keep that in mind when you are watching this video, because probably I will fast forward some pieces. Just keep in mind that it just takes a while to really, well, make a smoky eye. Now I'm just blending, doing circles. And I don't mind that it goes on my lid as well. What you could do if you want to is cut the crease. But I don't think I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. Just going to bring it up a little in the corner. Now I'm taking a different brush, a clean one. I'm just going to make sure I don't have any patchiness. I think that's about it. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, or at least try to. Now I'm just taking the first brush that we used and going over the edge again. Just to clean up the edge a little bit. Don't really want a neat smoky eye. I like it when it's a little bit messy, but still I want it to be blended in nicely. I think that is about what I wanted to achieve with this color. So now I'm going over to my other palette and I'm going to start using this one, the, what did I say it was called? Au Naturel, the really dark purple. I'm going to take a small brush in the color Au Naturel, tapping my brush in, and then I'm going to deepen up the outer corner. And again, this takes time. But this is such a gorgeous, deep, dark purple. And you can make it as dark as you want to. Bring it in a little. And this is kind of what I want, I think. Bring it up a little bit higher in the corner. Like so. Now I want to blend it out. Pulling the shadow back a little. Don't really want to lose a lot of the depth of the purple, so that is why I'm concentrating on the edges a bit more. Then I'm closing my eye, pulling up my lid so I can just blend it out a little. Something like this. Now you can leave it like this, you can build it up, you can use a black, you can make it as smoky as you want. I'm going to try to do the same thing on the other eye first, and then I'm going to see if I need to darken it up a little. And you know, smoky eye is just a lot of blending and it just takes time, and that is, I think, what I didn't do correctly when I did my smoky eyes in the past. I just didn't take the time blending, but I'm actually happy with this. I'm taking the color Au Naturel, the dark purple that I just used, on a brush and bring it down. And if you want to, you can take a pencil brush, go into a black or into the dark purple. I'm staying in Au Naturel, and then just really deepen up just the outer corner of your eye. See, I do need to blend a little. And this is actually already a purple smoky eye. So you can stop here if you want to, but as I said, I had my heart set on purple and orange today. So what I am going to do, am I going to use a shimmer or a matte? Let's do a shimmer. I think I am going to go into the color Mango and plop that on the lid. I'm taking my sponge tip applicator and just pat it on. And I want it orange, but I want it to diffuse a little bit as well. So I am patting it heavily on here, and then as I go outside, I'm barely tapping it, and with the tip actually pulling the orange back a little bit. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm taking this tiny brush again. There is no extra product, but I'm just going over the edge. And again, you can build this. Oh God, this is pretty. Ooh, I like that. Do I need to blend? Yes, I need to blend. Taking my big fluffy brush that I used in the beginning and just going over the edge here in the outer corner a little. Why is one eye always cleaner than the other one? I don't know. But I really like this. What do I want to do? I want to bring a little bit of the yellow. So apparently my phone storage was full, but I don't think that I missed a lot. I don't think I did a lot, besides blending out here the top a little bit. I did say I want to bring the orange down as well. So taking the tip of my sponge tip, I have put it in the color Mango, and I'm just going to run it underneath somewhere. I'm actually also going to use this as a highlight today, or pull it where I would normally do my highlight, like so. Oh, I do need to look up, otherwise you cannot see what I'm doing. Like so. A little bit of, well, I have it in my hand now, pencil brush and the color Dark Currant, the darkest one of this palette, and I just want to bring a little bit of purple back. Oh, that is pretty. That is about what I had in mind today. So yeah, I am going to do my eyeliner off camera. I will do mascara and then I will be back and show you what the look looks like with liner and mascara. So be right back, just a second. So I am back. As you can see, I have put on some liner and some mascara and a nice orangey lip gloss. I do have to say I wish I had a purple eyeliner, but I don't, so I used a black eyeliner on top. And on the bottom I used a combination of these two eye pencils. It's a purple one and a reddish one. I will list them down below. And yeah, that is the look for now. I'm going to put on my falsies because I like them. If you do not wear falsies, then this is how the look is for you. But if you just hold on for a tiny minute, you can see how my finished look is. So my falsies are on. And I really like how this look turned out. It was, well, what I had in mind today to create for you guys. So this was, well, playing with colors again. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. You can always request a color combination. And as I said at the beginning, I am going to do an all purple look. But just today, I really wanted to create this combination. So I hope you liked it. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, and you would like to be subscribed, then you know what you have to do. Also, don't forget the notification bell right next to it, so you will be notified when I upload my next video, which will be very soon. For now, I'm signing off. I'm going to film another video, a collaboration video. And yeah, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will be seeing you soon in my next one. Bye, guys.